You wouldn't believe it.
What?
It was me.
Did what?
I found him.
Found
Who
who?
did they ask? Osama bin Laden.
You are damn
It was
lying.
me who did all the work.
Shut the hell up.
Me, Mo Candy.
Shit.
I took him out. They told me to bring some evidence back,
What you brung?
and that's what I done.
Tell me what you brung. Yeah.
Old ass boots off his fucking feet.
You fucking silly.
And guess what I did? I knocked his ass out,
And?
shot him 4 times,
And?
looked at his family, told
And
him
did
to
what?
move. And
What you
guess
do?
what I did?
What?
Put this shit up for me.
Oh, no.
And that's the least I can do.
Yeah.
Making money. Mo can't do that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean. If you're
I
black,
feel you.
you're feeling me.
Yeah, dog.
You're feeling me. So I'm
Most
going to take this motherfucking boot.
For sure.
This is boot gonna go on eBay today. And I'm selling this motherfucker for $300,000.
300,000.
$300,000.